You guys, tonight it is all about beauty products that work really well but won't break your bank.
We're creating luxe makeup looks for less. Here to show us is makeup artist Andrew Sotomayor.
Yes, Sotomayor.
Hi.
Welcome. It's so good to see you again.
So nice to meet you. I'm excited to find out how to get to the look for less.
Yeah, seriously. So
every girl needs to know.
Yeah, she does. And so first up, brushes that work well but won't kill your budget. Since they are the foundation for your makeup, they're pretty important. So what brand do you recommend? You can show us on Dinah.
On Dinah today, well, I used these brushes from Real Techniques. There's two different sets. The orange set is the core collection, and then the other one is your starter set. So you've got eye brushes and you've got face brushes. And the great thing about these is these are made with Taklon. Now, Taklon is actually one of the most expensive fibers that you can use when it comes to making brushes, but they're synthetic. Like, feel how soft that is.
Oh, that
feels
so good.
Oh my God, that's amazing. You can see the viewer reviews.
The reviews are great. People love
yeah,
these.
they love it.
It's Taklon, so it's really, really soft. It's really smooth. It's never going to wear out. It's cruelty-free. It's vegan approved, PETA approved. Totally safe. So I used those actually to apply Dinah's foundation and all the makeup that you're seeing on her right now.
Oh my God, that's great.
It looks so natural and dewy.
Yeah.
That's
really
my
does.
favorite. I hate when it looks too cakey or concentrated in one area, especially on the hairline. It looks so
you know what?
even and
Like,
beautiful.
I love that idea of using a matte foundation on the skin first so that it stays fresh all day long, and then using a highlighter on the cheekbones so that you can just shine strategically.
That's great. So you use the Maybelline on her face.
I use the Maybelline.
Really fantastic. Under $10. Really fantastic. And now we're going to go in and we're going to sculpt with the bronzer.
Yes.
So talk to me a little bit about this fabulous butter bronzer.
Yes, the butter bronzer it's got muru muru butter.
Ooh.
What's that?
It smells amazing. It's from the tropics. Oh my God.
Oh my
It smells like coconut. It smells like vacation.
It smells like pina colada.
It doesn't smell like New York City cold winter.
No, it definitely doesn't.
Yeah, pina colada.
And
They're
because it's got
instant
that
summer.
Instant summer glow, and because it's got that creamy feel to it, it doesn't make your skin dry, even though it's a powder texture.
That's
During the
brilliant.
winter, that's great. And again, that's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation.
And it looks like
so
summer
nice.
and it smells like summer.
How much
which
is
great.
that?
It's only
the bronzer-
$11.
Oh my God,
Isn't
that's
that
like
great?
one coffee.
It's like
for
a
you.
Yes, exactly. It is. It's one coffee for me.
Exactly.
All right, well, let's keep going. So next we have this incredible palette, which is amazing, by L'Oreal. Well, you saying you love just to wear L'Oreal on the red carpet.
I did. I was wearing L'Oreal last night on my lips, and also their mascara is amazing. And this palette is so every girl
good.
needs it.
And
you
I think
can do
that's
it for anything.
a bit of a mythbusters, I think, to the world that like everybody thinks that when you're on a red carpet, your makeup is super expensive. But no, like L'Oreal is a fantastic true match. I've worn on many red carpets.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Burt's Bees too, which we'll get to later.
In a second.
And you looked amazing at the Golden Globes, by the way.
She
you looked
did.
so fantastic.
And she was giving you a little bit of this palette on this darker
She was.
end.
She kind of these like
shades.
richer colors,
Yeah.
like
Like a little more
bronze.
mauve,
I
yeah.
love that. You look fantastic.
you.
So yeah, this is the La Palette Nude Intense from L'Oreal. You've got 10 shades and it's $13.
Amazing. And you get this big mirror. I know that I always harp on the mirror because sometimes I think there's too small. This is fantastic. I could actually
Yeah, it's
see
pretty
myself.
long. It's the
Right? Like you
whole
could actually
edge.
do your eyes
You
and
can
look
really
in that
get
mirror.
a good view and know what you're doing.
It's incredible. All right, so let's get to the Burt's Bees since you're so excited
Yes.
about it.
I
This
do
is like
love
that
Burt's
wow
Bees.
moment. Yeah, Burt's Bees is great. You've
It's
got
so moisturizing.
so moisturizing, all natural, and this actually has their lipstick has raspberry oil and
It's
vitamin
lipstick.
E.
Vitamin
it's
E
lipstick, but it's got
is
that moisturizer built into it.
Oh my
So
God,
not
that's
only is the
amazing.
lipstick itself a beauty bargain, also because you don't have to use a primer or lip moisturizer, even in the dead of winter, it's saving you
Let's see the
more
color.
money that way.
I don't know. I'm a non-believer. Let's see.
Check out this color.
Ooh.
Okay, wow.
Rich,
That's incredible.
creamy, it really pops.
And
So natural.
It's going on very sharply with just the edge of the lipstick.
Just the edge of the bullet.
And
you can
it's
use
just
a brush
light
or-
enough, like almost like a stain, as if you had just put it on your finger
Yeah.
and dabbed
Yeah.
it on. And that's what I
Totally.
love because it looks so
Press.
natural.
Yeah, it's like
So
just a fresh
natural.
look.
Exactly. And you're so beautiful. You do not need a lot of makeup at all. And this is just like the perfect finishing touch. And it matches your earrings so well.
It's so cute, but I also think it's great, again, we're saying for winter.
Yeah,
Like we
totally.
have chap lips. This you can wear, it'll actually moisturize your lips and get them to a place where they will look
love
good
it.
with lipstick.
Totally.
All
This
right,
one's
let's
called
check
Brimming
out
Berry.
Dinah's before and after picture.
Look at that.
Let's look before and after.
Stunning.
Gorgeous,
stunning,
right?
stunning.
Oh my God, thank you so much to Andrew
Thank you
Sotomayor.
for having me
Thank you
back.
so
Another
much.
Thank you
It
to
was
our
so nice to
viewer
meet
model.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Our one viewer model here, our model's
Done a great
backstage.
job.